In this video, we will show you what are custom fields and how to make one. First, go to Flows. Here you will find the Custom Fields tab next to Tags. Let's add a new custom field. You can choose which type of data will be saved on your custom field. It can be text, a number, date, schedule, or conditional true or false. Let's make a custom field saving the information about the user's favorite color. Time to test out our custom field. Let's add a flow. Here, we add the action Get User Data. We will ask the user about his favorite color. Click Edit. Set reply type as text as the user data corresponds to a kind of color. Here, we select the custom field we've made to store the user data. Click Save. Next, we add another message block to display the saved data inside our custom field. We will write a simple text message and call out the custom field we've made to display the data stored inside it. Click Publish. Time to test our custom field. We've just showed you how to find custom fields and how to make one. For assistance and customer support concerns, our dedicated help support team is always available to assist you. Support hotline is provided on the description box below. Thank you for choosing GPT Connect.